It is the dream of many people to set up and run a successful online business and live the internet lifestyle. It is easier to market an online business than it is a brick and mortar business, and your reach is much larger. You can literally sell your products and services to the world with an online business. But most people that start online businesses fail. They do not use the right approach to setting up their online business and making it a success. To create a successful online business, you have to know what works and what doesn't. It is much tougher to start and maintain a successful online business than most people think. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn why you should start an online business as opposed to a conventional brick and mortar business. You will learn how to choose the right online business model. You will learn how to apply the first right step for starting to set up your six-figure online business. You will know which is the most important thing if you want to succeed with your online business. You will learn the most profitable ideas for the first 30 days of your new six-figure online business. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you start an online business in 30 days or less. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why start an online business? Choose the right online business model. Setting up your six-figure online business. Setting goals for your online business. Traffic generation. Marketing your online business. Your 30-day plan. Scaling your online business. Best practices for your six-figure online business, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to start an online business in 30 days or less. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to learn why you should start an online business as opposed to a conventional brick-and-mortar business. You want to learn how to choose the right online business model. You want to learn how to apply the first right step for starting to set up your six-figure online business. You want to know which is the most important thing if you want to succeed with your online business. You want to learn the most profitable ideas for the first 30 days of your new six-figure online business. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to start an online business in 30 days or less. So it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you start an online business in 30 days or less. I'll see you on the inside.